What are the most defining traits of a home? More often than not, homes are built purely around visual aesthetic rather than function and comfort. For most luxury homes, the focus is on clean-cut, perfect rooms. But maintaining the mint condition of a delicate dream home can be very tiring. In a place like 9133 Oriole Way in Los Angeles, California, there's much more emphasis on relaxation and enjoyment. This 6-bedroom, 8-bathroom home stretches out 12,530 square feet, providing plenty of space for luxurious balconies and comfortable living spaces. Every room is dedicated to both visual aesthetics and function, making it perfect for family get-togethers or rowdier gatherings. Today at Top Wealth, we're taking a look at a mansion that really packs a punch in every room. From an elegant infinity pool to a gorgeous master bedroom, this home outdoes itself with every design aspect dedicated to maximum awe and enjoyment. For more immersive tours like these, make sure to like and subscribe to Top Wealth to catch every new video. Let's get into it. Exterior. Taking a look at the general layout of this home, a clear emphasis on fashion is present. The structure of the home is very modern and experimental, but the warm lighting and large glass doors and walls balance modern style with elegant visuals. This quaint home is simple and elegant inside and out, with a beautiful pool, pops of color and light, and a simple but truly chic layout. The golden lighting and colossal pillars conjure feelings of a grand Roman castle fit for the fanciest of homeowners, while enormous marshmallow couches and lounge chairs welcome visitors and family members to laze around as the sun sets. Like many high-end estates, the night environment is visually breathtaking. At night, the home is lit with beautiful cool lights against the greenery. Inside, the home is equipped with rich golden lighting fit for a cozy night in or a magnificent night out. In the backyard, the pool sits in the perfect spot to gaze over a luminous, infinite city. The western sunset perfectly lights the scene from the side, inviting a warm aura as the day comes to a calm finish. A few chairs and a patch of greenery sit nearby, making the yard large enough for a wild party, but small enough for a comfortable afternoon relaxing with friends. The infinity pool is the perfect size for serious swimming or a relaxed hangout. A smaller private pool sits near the end for a quicker cool down. Nearby, a square fireplace crackles away for marshmallow roasting on a breezy evening. A fanciful outdoor leisure area sits right next to the pool, with hanging chairs, couches, and ottomans huddled around coffee tables. A peek inside. After walking past a beautiful area of greenery to the magnificent front door, let's take a look inside this magnificent home. The entrance of the house sets the scene with perfect lighting and design. The white and gold visual choices seal the aesthetic of cleanliness with function, with bursts of color from contemporary art and modern furniture. From the main hall, either head into the kitchen for a magnificent lunch or relax in one of the cozy living areas. Dine in style with friends atop a dark granite countertop next to large tables and a wet bar. Plenty of cooking equipment sits under beautiful lighting near a table for 10, with plenty of space for storage and preparing elegant meals. Sit under a shower of diamonds as you dine on a well-prepared meal, surrounded by eclectic art and elegant architecture. A cozy fireplace room sits nearby for a private moment of thinking before fixing up a delicious meal. The living areas are all pleasant corners of pure leisure. For many rooms, large couches and coffee tables sit next to a large TV and fireplace for cozying up during a late-night binge. From the shag carpet to dark, cozy seating, each room is soft and welcoming. Another living room downstairs has 4 cushioned chairs sitting around a large table, perfect for gatherings with friends and placing bets on the big game. Many doorways outside also provide a segue for a night out in the pool. Down the hall, prepare a couple of drinks at an elegant dark wet bar. The bar is a marvel with wine glass and bottle displays under soft lighting, and stainless steel appliances ensure a chilled, perfectly made beverage. Of course, what luxurious home is complete without a wine cellar? This wooden closet can store hundreds of bottles while providing a private place to sip cool drinks in style. Wherever the party takes you, fine wines, cozy fireplaces, and large hangout areas provide the perfect atmosphere for groups of 2 or 20. Upstairs. After a long day, head upstairs to see the breathtaking balconies and immersive bedrooms. Massive hallways lead down to magnificent guest rooms and hangout corners. Each bedroom is fully equipped with everything needed for private hangouts: a large television, seating area, soft rug, enormous windows, and spacious closets. Every bedroom is furnished with a luxury couch and king-sized bed, creating the perfect environment for late-night studying or weekend leisure. Leave the enormous walls open for the morning rays to flood into the room, or catch a glimpse of the sparkling midnight city lights before turning in. The master bathroom is just as elegant and jaw-dropping as its bedroom. A bathtub sits in front of a massive walk-in shower, while two vanity sections provide enough space for freshening up or doing makeup. Another bathroom is equipped with an elegant tub next to a glass wall, with a sweeping view showing the elegant palm trees just in front of a breathtaking city. The walk-in closet provides compartments for shoes and important accessories, while every wall has a row of hangers to show off business casual wardrobe for him and glamorous evening wear for her. The balconies of this home are simply breathtaking. Soft couches and chairs are given adequate shade inside the house, but drawing the curtains and opening the glass walls lets in a fantastic stream of light and a breathtaking view. A couple of bedrooms are immediately beset with huge windows for a breezy night with the outdoor air flowing in. Take a look outside and gaze at the stars as the first drops of September rain fall from the midnight sky. Several living areas open up to the outside for a casual hangout on the ground floor, so a party in any room can easily be taken outside without hassle. Novelty rooms. No breathtaking mansion in Los Angeles is complete without a few rooms to brush up on hobbies or cherished pastimes. And with a full-size theater, workout room and several gaming areas, this home provides the works for any type of night. Unlike many others, the workout room is very spacious and functional. Golden wooden floors hold up professional equipment and weight sets for a serious workout session alone or with friends. Huge mirrors and televisions help follow the latest video routine and stay in shape, making sure to maintain a strong physique. After some hard work, a nearby massage room provides a secluded area for ultimate relaxation, shielded from the chaos of the world. Sit here with lotions and candles for an hour or two of meditation and immersion. For a more public night, a cozy theater room makes for a fantastic night with movie lovers. 2 rows of couches and a counter encourage both relaxing viewing and an intimate dining experience while engaging in an exciting film. With dim lights and plenty of space for comfortable viewing, friends can gather together for an unforgettable night in front of the big screen. After a thrilling movie, show off your latest additions to your car collection with the beautiful indoor garage. The space has enough room to showcase 2 luxury cars, safe from any damaging weather outside. If the weather is nice, take your favorite vehicle out to the yard for a crazy night of highway speeding. Verdict: whatever your tastes, this home provides everything needed for entertainment and relaxation, day or night. With all rooms taken into consideration, this glorious estate is truly designed with residents in mind. The light-colored golden design of the home does an excellent job of capturing the sun's exuberant rays, while the cozier rooms, like living areas, leave space for calmness and relaxation. Though some rooms are overwhelmed with furniture or decoration, the layout of the home is very charming and functional overall. Plenty of outdoor space encourages early morning sunbathing and afternoon conversations, and the diverse hangout areas create several reasons to take some time outside the walls. At its heart, this home is perfect for relaxing afternoons and productive workdays, welcoming a sense of peace and comfort unlike many others. Conclusion: does a cozier home fit your style, or do you prefer a larger party mansion? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting tours like these. We'll see you next time on Top Wealth.